Good morning, students. Last class finished the poem. Here is the poem is what is a player. Now, so remaining lesson next C reading. VVS Lakshman, very special. You know, cricket is an international game. Everyone should like it. Everyone should like it. Now at present, IPL is going on. In Arabian countries, here is IPL. So, here is an exclusive interview with a sports star. Here is VVS Lakshman. And here is a sports star. This is an interview. Exclusive interview between sports star and VVS Lakshman. Here is VVS Lakshman gave many awards, many rewards for Indian cricket team, especially Test series. So at his time, that is, he brought, that is, India's name and fame. India's name and fame. That is, here is when he entered into Test cricket career, he worked, and especially his batting lineup. So brought to India's number one position, especially Test series cricket. Not only one day Indian international. Now children, everyone should enjoy. See an IPL. Besides here, that is, here the lesson is going on. It's a very interesting thing is generally IPL is here is in the month of May generally. Because due to COVID-19, it will postpone present, that is, it is going on. So I think you enjoy very much. Now children, take your textbook, open page number 38. Now come to the point. A lesson VVS Lakshman very special. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. Children, generally life is combination of difficulties and happiness. Difficulties and happiness. Sorrow and that is sorrow, miseries and funniest things, especially this is our life. At present, this is our life. Now, children, here is life ambition. Life ambition is here is success and failure. One who achieves one's goal, it's depend upon hard work, determination, discipline, dedication. So here is, you treat success and failure equal. Some they got that is success, they boosted, but some in the same way they face failure, they disappointed, they depressed. It is not right. When you that is take both. Here is success and failure, treat same wavelength. When you get success, we feel the same. When you, that is, we face, we come up, that is, failures with the same. But don't be disappointed, don't be boast. Here is a very important line. You should treat success. When you treat success and failure equal manner or same wavelength, definitely you will reach your goal. Very important line is there. Next, success and failure are parts of anybody's life. Your life, my life, their life, somebody's life, it is common. It is common. Everyone's life, common. What are common here? Success and failures. The key is self-belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. When we are in difficult situations, tough conditions, generally we have a here is self-belief means self-confident, Atmaviswasam, Atmasthiryam. And so here is performing consistently, practice rigorously, regularly, which that is stick on. Okay, some problems that is so you will that is face. Okay, you have a confidence, you have a self-confidence and strong determination, courageous. నీకు ఏదైనా కష్టమైనటువంటి సిచ్యువేషన్స్లో, టఫ్ కండిషన్స్లో వచ్చినప్పుడు నీ ఆత్మవిశ్వాసము, నీ ప్రాక్టీస్, it is very important. So two things here. It is a key. Success of key role is two elements. One is self-belief, self-confidence. We pray God, this is my problem, please save. But God tested you whether you believe or not. Before the idol of God, you pray your God. That is one thing here. If you have a belief, God will solve my problems. Then you will go to the temple, then you will go to the church, and you will go to mass. The conditions here, faith. Have a faith on God. భగవంతుడి మీద విశ్వాసం ఉంది. నాకు ఈ సమస్య ఉంది, భగవంతుడు నువ్వు నాకు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం క్లియర్ చేయి అన్నప్పుడు ఆ ఫెయిత్ నీలో ఉండాలి. ఏ ఫెయిత్? He will decide the matter. He will finalize the matter. He will solve all the problems. Everything is in the hands of destiny, not us, our hands. ఇక్కడ కష్టమైన కండిషన్స్, టఫ్ కండిషన్స్ లో what are elements are very important here is self-confidence, self-belief. Second one is, so here is it is very important, performing consistently in tough conditions. VVS Lakshman tells VVS Subramanyam, one of the finest players in the contemporary cricket has called it a day. Children, called it a day is an idiomatic expression. So note down, you should write the meaning. Decide or agree to stop doing something. Decide or agree to stop doing something. Somebody, they are doing the work, stop something. Especially here is contemporary, that is here is temporary or permanently. Temporary or permanent. ఏదైనా ఒక వర్క్ ని కొంత మనం కొంతసేపు స్టాప్ చేయడం, టెంపరరీ కావచ్చు, పర్మనెంట్ కావచ్చు. It is called. Here is finest player means who is the finest player? VVS Lakshman is the finest player. Especially contemporary, that is here is సమకాల ప్రపంచంలో cricket especially. For someone who delighted cricket lovers. Delighted means feel very happy. Everyone should like, especially being an Indian. VS Lakshman is an Indian cricketer. Everybody likes. So there is cricket lovers is there. They almost they like his batting, has his style. Lovers with his brilliance. Here is a technical play. Playing technically. Playing is a very good performance. Very good performance here is there. With the willow of for 16 years in Test cricket, Vangipurapu Venkata Sai Lakshman, Vangipurapu Venkata VVS, Vangipurapu Venkata Sai Lakshman, cricketers here. He is and his retirement at a crowded media conference. He announced his retirement where here, that is at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad. He announced his retirement in the presence of media conference in Hyderabad. Ahead of 2 test series. Here is the head of 2 test series. Sinkat retirement announce చేయక ముందు remaining matches, here 2 matches ఉన్నాయి. Against New Zealand ఇంకా ఆడవలసిన మ్యాచెస్, ఇంకా 2 matches ఉన్నాయి, టెస్ట్ మ్యాచెస్. Before that he announced his retirement. Where? In Hyderabad. In the situation, what situation here? The media, that is here is a crowded media conference. Crowded media conference. So here Indians liked his batting lineup, especially his batting, because he brought a good name and fame, especially Test Indian cricket. Number one. ఎప్పుడో ఉన్నటువంటి లాస్ట్ స్టేజ్ ఉన్నటువంటి బాటమ్ ఉన్నటువంటి టెస్ట్ క్రికెట్ సిరీస్ నంబర్ వన్ వరల్డ్ నంబర్ వన్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్కి తీసుకురావడం మాటలు కాదు. అటువంటి హార్డ్ వర్క్ వెన్ హీ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ క్రికెట్ టెస్ట్, ఎస్పెషలీ VVS Lakshman is very famous test cricketer in Indian cricketer, but he played one day, but famous especially test cricketers matches, because he has a lot of patience. You know, test matches and 5 days match, play 2 innings play చేయాలి, 2 innings play చేయాలి, 5 days match, lot of patience. Not only that is 20 runs 30 runs, but here is sometimes stand, especially for 2-3 hours, 4 hours, even off day, off session off day session కూడా spend చేయకపోతారు. Some cricketers, that is we found some cricketers, they spend most of that is half day of the session of the play. మార్నింగ్ నుంచి ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ వరకు ఒకే ప్లే చేస్తూ 100 runs 150 runs ప్లే చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. సో అట్లా టెస్ట్ క్రికెటర్స్ ఈజ్ కంప్లీట్లీ పేషెన్స్, బట్ స్కోర్ ఎన్హాన్సింగ్ స్కోర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తూ మ్యాచ్ని విన్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కడో ఉన్నటువంటి క్రికెట్ నంబర్ 1 పొజిషన్ తీసుకుంది బికాస్ ఆఫ్ VVS Lakshman's especially hard work in test series cricket, especially Indian test series cricket. Now children, second background. The 37-year-old star batsman who was part of fabulous, wonderful, excellent batting. Fabulous batting lineup, that is excellent batting lineup, which helped India become the number 1 test team because of his fabulous batting. Not only children, fabulous is very excellent, a good batting, a good lineup, manchi wonderful batting. So because behind of his hard work, besides his hard work and wonderful batting, so India's there is number 1 test series, so world number 1 series, so gets a position because of his work and his batting lineup. Shares his experience. Here is a famous cricketer, shares his experience and thoughts in an exclusive interview with Sports Star. In an exclusive interview with Sports Star. Okay, here children, this interview with already told you, Sports Star is a famous magazine. So it gives that is an interview, interact with VVS Lakshman interview. Now children, generally in the class that is one student is standing here, is one student is here is standing, both are conversed because of this. So here it's not possible. So that now children, I am going to that is explain 2 roles. One is Sports Star and another one is VVS Lakshman. The first question children, look at Sports Star ask a question to VVS Lakshman. When you look up back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? Then ఒక్కసారి మీరు వెనక్కి తిరిగితే క్రికెట్, when you look back, how has the journey, how that is, what about your journey, what about your experience of test cricket of one day, complete cricket series మొత్తంలో వరల్డ్ ఆఫ్ క్రికెట్ టీంలో, how about your journey in especially in cricket? Next, VVS Lakshman replied, it has been wonderful, it has been wonderful, excellent, marvelous, fantastic, no doubt, not at all. I was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me. Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me. Generally children, first here is if any cricketer is selected, here is region wise city first, next district, after that state level, so many that is barriers are there. But here is VVS Lakshman replied the question of Sports Star, how has your journey VVS, please? Simple thing, it has been wonderful, I was lucky. Why? That the Hyderabad Cricket Association promote me. Promote me. That is, and Jackie. Here, who is Jackie? Syed Moinuddin Jackie. Syed Moinuddin Jackie from the under 16 level itself. Now, children. So I think here I stopped the lesson. Next I will continue next lesson. Now you will enjoy an IPL night time. Now especially Saudi Arabia's countries are that is there. Okay, children. Next class I will start remaining part of the lesson. Thank you, children.